How to set up parental controls on Windows. Welcome back everyone. Today we're focusing on online safety for our little ones. Let's explore how to set up Windows parental controls in under 2 minutes. The internet is a fast and wonderful world, but it's important to create a safe environment for your children. Parental controls help you monitor activity, limit screen time, and restrict access to inappropriate content. First, we need a child account. Open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. Click Add a family member and choose Add a child. Enter your child's email address or create a new one for them. This creates a child account linked to your adult account. Once the child account is set up, you'll see it under Family and Other Users. Click on your child's account and select Manage Account Settings online. This opens the Microsoft Family Safety website where you can configure parental controls. Here is where the magic happens. You can set screen time limits for weekdays and weekends. You can also restrict access to inappropriate websites and apps. Additionally, activity reporting lets you see what your child is browsing and using on the computer. Remember, parental controls are a tool to guide and educate, not a replacement for open communication. Talk to your kids about online safety and responsible internet use. With Windows parental controls, you can create a safer online environment for your children. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more family-friendly tech tutorials.